In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. Connecting your Hostinger domain to Shopify in 2025 is quite simple, and it ensures that your online store runs on a professional, branded web address. To start, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Domains section under Setting. Click Connect Existing Domain and type in your Hostinger purchased domain name. Then confirm. Shopify will generate the DNS settings you'll need to add in your Hostinger account. Next, open your Hostinger account and go to the hPanel dashboard. From there, navigate to the Domain section and find the domain you want to connect. Go into the DNS Zone editor, which lets you adjust your domain's records. Update the A record to point to Shopify's IP address, which is currently 23.227.3865, but always double check in Shopify since it can change. Then, edit or add a CNAME record for www that points to shops.myshopify.com.these. Two changes will link your Hostinger domain properly with Shopify. Once you've saved the DNS changes in Hostinger, head back to your Shopify admin and click Verify Connection. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to propagate, usually anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, though it often works much faster. When verification is successful, Shopify will confirm that your Hostinger domain is now connected. You can then choose whether you want your domain to display with or without www by setting your primary domain inside Shopify. This process allows your customers to access your Shopify store directly using your custom domain, giving your brand a more professional appearance and building trust. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.